We've all been there, drowning in deadlines, scrambling to remember details, and desperately wishing for a way to organize the chaos. That's where project management tools come in, promising to be our digital knight in shining armor. But with a seemingly endless list of options, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. Today, we're focusing on a popular contender, Monday.com. But the question remains, is Monday.com easy to learn? Can it be the hero we need to slay the to-do list monster? Or is it just another complex beast to wrangle? Fear not, fellow warriors against workplace disarray. Let's dive into the user-friendliness of Monday.com, explore its features, and see if it can be your path to project management nirvana. First impressions. A visual feast. From the moment you log in to Monday.com, you're greeted by a clean and colorful interface. Gone are the days of intimidating menus and cluttered dashboards. Monday.com embraces a visual approach, relying on boards and cards to represent your projects and tasks. Think of it as a digital bulletin board, but infinitely more customizable. You can create different colored boards for different projects, then populate them with cards representing individual tasks. These cards are like mini containers for all your project details, deadlines, assignees, files, and even discussions. The beauty lies in its simplicity. It doesn't take a tech genius to figure out how to create a board, add a card, or assign a task. Drag and drop functionality lets you move things around with ease, visually reflecting your workflow. Templates for the template savvy and the not so savvy. Feeling overwhelmed by a blank canvas? No worries. Monday.com boasts an impressive library of pre-made templates. Whether you're managing a marketing campaign, a website development project, or even your personal goals, there's likely a template to kickstart your organization. These templates provide a solid foundation, pre-populated with relevant sections and views for your specific needs. You can simply customize them to fit your project's unique requirements. Beyond the basics, power up your projects. While Monday.com excels in user-friendliness, it doesn't shy away from offering powerful features. Need to track progress visually? Utilize Kanban boards to see tasks move through different stages, from to-do to done. Want to collaborate with your team? Real-time updates and discussions within each card keep everyone on the same page. For the data-driven individuals, Monday.com offers insightful dashboards that aggregate information across projects. Charts and graphs provide a clear picture of progress, allowing you to identify bottlenecks and make informed decisions. The learning curve, a gentle slope. Monday.com's intuitive interface and wealth of resources make it a breeze to learn, even for those with limited technical experience. The platform offers a comprehensive onboarding process, complete with guided tours and tutorials. Additionally, Monday.com boasts a well-stocked knowledge base filled with articles and videos that address any questions you might have. Their support team is also readily available to assist, ensuring you never feel lost in the project management jungle. Of course, no software is perfect. Monday.com offers a free plan, but it comes with limitations on features and storage. As you delve into more complex projects, you might find yourself needing to upgrade to a paid tier to unlock the full potential of the platform. While some users might find the sheer number of features overwhelming at first, the intuitive design and readily available resources help mitigate this. Monday.com, a user-friendly champion. So, is Monday.com easy to learn? The answer is a resounding yes. Its user-friendly interface, readily available templates, and wealth of resources make it an excellent choice for beginners and seasoned project management professionals alike. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple projects or a team leader overseeing complex initiatives, Monday.com can be the key to streamlining your workflow and conquering your to-do list. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.